In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat if it keeps crashing on your device. First, you want to completely close the Snapchat app. Once you have closed it, reopen it and check. A simple restart can often fix temporary glitches that cause the app to crash. If the problem continues, make sure Snapchat is updated to latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type Snapchat. Now, check if there is an update option. If there is, simply tap on it and wait for the app to be updated. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvement that can resolve crashing issues. If Snapchat is already up to date and still crashes, then uninstall the app and reinstall it. This removes any corrupted app files and installs a fresh copy which can fix persistent problems. After reinstalling, sign back into your account and check if Snapchat is working normally. You can also restart your own device. After restart, open Snapchat and this issue can be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.